Hi, this is your host, Dr. Agnes Cabredo, for another session of Good English. This time, we're going to focus on the consonant American T. Notice it is aspirated T, and therefore we have to explode it at the end. There is the slight explosion. Okay? You say Tennessee. Target. Table. Tomorrow. Tiger. Tent. Teach. Tan. Tandem. All together now, let's say Tennessee, target, table, tomorrow, tiger, tent, teach, tan, tandem. Next, let's consider the consonant T sounding like a D. Duh, duh. Therefore, we say water, daughter, later, bottle. So listen, put it in a bottle. Get a better water heater. Put all the data in the computer. Patty ought to write a better letter. This time we're going to proceed with other consonant American T. Let's have the TN sound where we have the glottal stop. We have the syllable T-A-I-N, which we pronounce as ten. T-O-N we pronounce as tin, and other TN combinations. So we say mountain, fountain, chieftain. Then we have O-N, we pronounce again as T-N, cotton, 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 wanton, Peyton. And then the E-N, we pronounce again as T-N, gotten, staten, satin, rotten, Latin, and satin. All together, let's pronounce it. Everybody, the glottal stop. Mountain, fountain, chieftain, gotten, staten, satin, cotton, wanton, Peyton, rotten, Latin, and satin. We notice that in some words, the T is silent. So we notice that we have the INT as the initial syllable of a word, and the T there is silent. So we say interview, interview, intersection, intersection, interaction, interaction, international, international, intertwine, intertwine, interlude, interlude, inner place, inner place, interrupt, interrupt. Of course we have internet, internet, interplay, interplay, interchange, interchange, intercede, intercede, interweave, interweave, interfere, interfere, intercom, intercom, interfere, interfere. Okay, just briefly, let's go over it. Everybody, join me. Interview, intersection, interaction, international, intertwine, interlude, interplace, interrupt, internet, interplay, interchange, intercede, interweave. Think you enjoyed our session today, and next time you say like or subscribe and share our channel. Bye.